The Talking Parrot. Listen and learn.
The Talking Parrot Disaster. Ah, yes, Mr. Johnson, proud owner of Rico, the most chatty parrot in town. Now, Rico wasn't your average pretty bird. No, this feathered troublemaker had an attitude bigger than his beak. One fine afternoon, Mr. Johnson's mother-in-law came over, a woman who believed silence was golden and parrots were pests. While Mr. Johnson was in the kitchen making tea, Rico decided, this is my moment. Clearing his throat. Yes, parrots can clear their throats, apparently. Rico blurted out, "Hey, lady, nice haircut. Did you use a blender?" The mother-in-law froze like she'd seen a ghost. Her eyes widened, her face turned red, and her hair... Well, let's just say Rico wasn't wrong. Did that bird just insult me?" she gasped. Meanwhile, Rico, feeling unstoppable, flapped his wings and shouted, "Somebody call the zoo! They lost their gorilla." Oh, that was it. The mother-in-law stormed out faster than a cat in a thunderstorm. Moments later, Mr. Johnson walked back in, whistling happily. "Where'd she go?" he asked. Rico tilted his head, looking smug. "I handled it." Mr. Johnson stared at him in disbelief. "Handled it? I'm sleeping on the couch tonight." Rico chuckled. Yes, chuckled, and muttered, "Better bring a pillow." Moral of the story? Never trust a parrot with too much personality.